guys, so I'm back with another video, and today we're going to be doing satisfying slime colouring. So I've just got a plain white slime and some glitter, green glitter, gold glitter and silk glitter, and 2 food colourings. So first thing we're going to do is separate it into 3 little pieces, hopefully equal pieces. And first colour we're going to be adding is blue, just a little drop to each. I don't know if that'll be enough, but we can always fix it later. So now we should just mix the blue. I hope it turns out like a really fluorescent blue. The next colour we're going to be adding is a bit of yellow to the middle one, and then a bit of yellow to the one on the side. And the middle one I hope turns like a pastel-y one, but first we're going to mix the yellow. I accidentally dropped a bit of yellow on the table. That green is so nice. I just hope it turns out like a pastel-y one like the others, because I really want a pastel. I think we need to add a bit more colour to the one in the middle and to the yellow one. Just a little drop. And a little drop of blue to the one in the middle. So I really like the colours, and I think we're going to start doing the swirl now. So I think I might do one swirl first with no glitter, then another swirl with glitter. Wow, that is like perfect. It's just the colour I wanted. Now it's just a little bit of green glitter and a little bit of gold, and last a little bit of silver. So I really like the green pastel-y colour it's turned out. I really like it. So remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you all next time. Goodbye.